Hi, this is No from screenprintexchange.com. I'm going to do a quick video and new method of removing these brass ends from plugs using plug soup. See, I got hot water in a big aluminum pot, and I'm going to use these Knipex and I'm going to grip it and then roll it, and it comes out much better than using diagonals or side cutters or whatever you call it. So look at, I'm just going to use it like a vise. Boom. Pulls out like nothing. Do this side. I always like to retighten it. Boom. We're great. And then this one. This one I like to pull this way and then that way and then down. Down. Oops, I didn't show that one, so we're going to redo that. And I got a green out, so yeah. One more. We're going to show it this time. It's hard with the neck phone holder. Okay, we're going to do the roll action with the Knipex plumbing. See, we roll much better. We're going to tighten it every time we do it because there's space every time you pull one out. Okay, now we go this way. We're gonna see the roll action, much easier. I get these out all the time, and sometimes I even get it out with hair. And this is a very hard one to do because there is inside here there's a crimped wire with a metal band. So it's amazing how this Knipex works. Thank you. Subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.